Welcome back, guys. Bored of same methi aloo and methi paranthas? Let's make something different with full of nutritional benefits methi leaves. Let's give it a twist with fresh cream and green peas. As we know, methi is slightly bitter in taste, so fresh cream and sweet peas will perfectly balance out the flavors and give us a rich, creamy, aromatic dish. We will start by taking some oil in a pan and add properly rinsed and roughly chopped methi leaves. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat and remove it in a bowl and keep aside for later use. In the same pan, we will take 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, garlic and green chili. Saute it until raw smell goes off and color changes to light golden. After that, add 1 medium-size chopped onion and saute it until it is translucent. Sorry guys, my camera just turned off and I missed one shot. After onions, I added 10 cashews and then roughly chopped 1 medium-sized tomato. Saute them until they are soft and then remove it in a plate to cool down a bit. And then we will blend this mixture to get a smooth, creamy paste. Now again, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After cumin seeds start to splutter, add 1 teaspoon poppy seeds to get that rich texture. Give it a stir and add 2 green cardamoms and then add the paste that we blended. Add some water in a blender jar to get everything out and add it to the pan. Continue to saute the paste, stirring often, and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon ground black pepper. Give it a mix and add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili. And then we add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add some salt and now we will add the peas. You can use both frozen peas or fresh green peas. If you are using frozen peas, just keep them in hot water for a few minutes before using. And if you are using fresh green peas, then just boil them for 6 to 8 minutes or until they are soft. Add some water to prevent it from sticking at the bottom and avoid burning. We will cook the peas in this masala for a few minutes to soak in all the flavors and spices. Now it's time to add in the main ingredient, the fenugreek leaves, which we have already sauteed and kept aside. Give it a mix and add just half cup of fresh cream. That's it, our Methi Malai Matar is ready. Just turn off the heat and cover for 2 to 3 minutes, and here you go. Our Methi Malai Matar is ready. Remove it in a serving dish and add fresh cilantro and serve hot. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.